Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 10, Mensuration, Exercise 10.3, question number 2. A toy is made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a right cone whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeters and its volume is 3 by 2 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone and surface area of the toy. Correct two places of the decimal. Take pi is equal to 31 by 7. Second one, solution. A toy is made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by right cone whose circular base of the joint with the plane surface of hemisphere. Solution. Given that the radius of the cone is equal to 7 centimeters. Volume of the cone is equal to 3 by 2 volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 3 by 2 into volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 cancel, 3 cancel, pi cancel. 1 by 3 r square h is equal to r cube. H is equal to 3 into r cube by r square. R square cube cancel is equal to h is equal to 3r. We know that here r is equal to 7 centimeter. H is equal to 3 into 7 is equal to 21 centimeters. Height of the cone is equal to 21 centimeters. Next find the curved surface area of the hemisphere. We know that radius of the hemisphere r is equal to 7 centimeters, and therefore CSA of curved surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel is equal to 2 to 22 to the 44 into 7. Do the multiplication 44 into 7. 7 4 is 28. 7 4 is 28 plus 2. 308 square centimeters. 308 centimeters square or square centimeter. Next, find the curved surface area of the cone. We know that radius of the cone is equal to radius of the cone or is equal to 7 centimeters. Height is equal to height of the cone. Height is equal to h is equal to 21 centimeters. Find out slant height of the cone. Slant height h is equal to root of r square plus h square is equal to r value 7 square plus 21 square. We know that 7 7 is 49 plus 21 into 21 441 is equal to 441 plus 49 root of 490. Okay, find the square root of 490. 490 and the square root. Take 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 4 minus 4 0, 90, and 2 plus 2 4, 40 take 2 42, 2 ja 84, 80 90 minus 84 6. Take point and take two zeros. 42 plus 2 44, 441 1 ja 441, 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 4 5, 5 minus 4 1, and take two zeros, and 441 plus 1 442, and take 3 404, 4423 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12, 13,269, 4,443 3 is 13,269, 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 6 9 minus 6 3, 8 minus 2 6, 5 minus 3 2, 1 minus 1 0, take 2 zeros, and 4,423 plus 3 4,426, 4,420 44,265 5 44,265 5 44,265 into 5, 5 5 25, 5 6 is 30, 30 plus 2 32, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 13, 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 1 21, 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 1 3 2 5, 44,265 5 ja. Therefore, slant height L is equal to slant height L is equal to r square plus h square is equal to 22.135 centimeters. Rounding the digits, 22.14 centimeters. Therefore, curved surface area CSA of the cone is equal to pi or L. Pi value 22 by 7 into r value 7 into 22.14. 7 7 cancel is equal to 22.14 into 22. 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 8 2 4 4, 8 10, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 8 4, 487.08, 487.08 square centimeters. Therefore, CSA of the toy is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of the cone is equal to CSA of the hemisphere 308 centimeter square 308 plus CSA of the cone 487.08 487.08. 308 plus 487.08. 807 plus 8. 15. 8 plus 1 9. 795.08 is equal to 795.08 centimeter square.